Where's my best light? Here?
There it is. You got it.
Today on Dak Ju, we are making a roasted zucchini with collard peanut pesto.
Ooh, who is that mysterious lady hiding behind that fabulous book?
This book rocks. If you don't already have it, if you haven't cooked from it, you should definitely consider it. It's lots of plant-based recipes. This one, I almost don't want to show it because our photo is not going to look this good, but I will anyway.
Oh.
If you thought the zucchini couldn't be tasty or look this sexy, here we go.
Here we go. So we have 4 beautiful medium-sized zucchinis.
Oh, fun fact, Julie. I won my middle school spelling bee with the word zucchini. The teacher thought she had me with the silent H, but...
We're gonna cut it into a 1/2-inch dice. So I'm gonna cut it into quarters and then cube it.
Yeah, I just cut it like this, and then I'm gonna squeeze it back together and just... And it doesn't, you could honestly cut this however you want. Ultimately, you're just roasting it. So then we're just gonna drizzle about a 1/2 cup of olive oil. And I'm just doing this directly into my pans. You wanna try and keep the zucchini on as much of one layer as possible. I'm kind of cheating, honestly. It's not gonna get as crispy as it could, but.
I'm going to toss mine in a bowl first and then spread it out into my pans.
Sprinkle of a little salt, maybe a little black pepper. These are going in the oven at 450 for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Zucchini is a fickle mistress.
And it's just a personal thing. Like, I just undercook mine intentionally, which is not necessarily what the recipe recommends. So do whatever you'd like.
Do whatever you like. We have our gorgeous collard greens, and we are going to take out the stems because they're kind of large and woody, and then we're gonna chop them up, roughly chop.
And it's actually all going in a food processor. Then we're adding 1/3 cup of peanuts. 1 clove of garlic goes in, peeled. So 3 tablespoons of miso paste. And then we're adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
And I forgot to get lemons at the store, so I'm going to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar just for kind of something acidic to take its place.
Very important. Now I am like scraping the sides a little bit to get it all down there again. And I'm gonna add the olive oil with the motor running. So it is 1/2 cup of olive oil.
And that just helps kind of integrate this chunky paste that you made into a nice smooth pesto.
Oh yeah, we gotta make it loose.
Loosen up.
Kind of have to help it out sometimes.
So bright and green. It's gorgeous.
So I think I'm actually gonna add like a tiny bit more lemon juice. The recipe basically says like taste it for salt, taste it for acid. Because the miso paste and the peanuts are so fatty, you may wanna add like just another dash of lemon juice. I definitely do.
So our zucchini has been in the oven for a total of 20 minutes. The cubes are nice and soft. Some of them are kind of goldeny brown on some edges, depending on if you toss them during the cook time. And now we are going to plate a little pesto, a little zouk action, and top with some peanuts.
I am really bad at plating things, but I'm gonna take a photo of this, and so I'm gonna try my best, but this is ultimately Julie's skill.
How badly do you wish I was there to make a swoop for you?
So badly.
How you like those? How you like that? Hey, that's way better, Dakota.
Thank you. So I chopped some extra peanuts, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top.
Chopping.
Make the perfect bite with peanut, zucchini, pesto. Cheers.
Cheers. The peanuts are a must.
A must.
The flavors are amazing, right? You have like this kind of like earthy freshness from the collard greens, the nice brightness that you add in from the lemon juice, the fattiness from the peanuts. And I also think that zucchini's kind of texture texturally have like a fatty kind of mouthfeel,
Mm-hmm.
which makes the pesto really nicely balanced with it, but they're kind of the same texture. So the crunchy peanuts on top are essential. Like and subscribe!
Like and subscribe!